Hey everyone, hope you all enjoyed your holidays and the start to your new year 2026. Today we're going to be looking at housing market stats for last month, December 2025, and all in the Waterloo region. And we're going to start that discussion right now. So we're looking at housing market stats in the Waterloo region for the month of December. And as expected, overall valuations dropped, although not by much. So for all property types, the median sale price in November was 673.5, and that went down to 670,000 in December. Now, new listings obviously dropped quite a bit. It's the holidays, it's New Year's, people are busy. So we went from 765 new listings in November down to 375 in December. Total inventory dropped as well, of course. We had 1,762 total listings in the Waterloo region in November, and that dropped to 1,185. Sales dropped as well. We had 466 total sales in November, and that dropped to just 306 sales total in December. And of course, days on market would have went up. So we had 27 in November, and that went up to 33. Now let's take a look at the individual property types. So we're going to start with median sale price valuations. And it looks like they went up just a bit for detached homes. They went up from 750 in November up to 763. And of all the property types, this doesn't really surprise me. Most demand, I would argue, is for single detached homes in this region. Moving on to townhomes. So those valuations dropped significantly from 625,000 in November down to 550.5. Moving on to condos, they dropped significantly as well. We had a median sale price in November of 407,500, and that dropped to 350,000. Townhomes and condos having a bit of a rough time at the end of this year, or last year rather. Hopefully they can rebound as we get into January and February. And then semi-detached, they also dropped. 630 in November dropped down to 592,450, which is right about where they were in October. So semi-detached, I mean, the inventory, there's not as much inventory with semi-detached. That's why they're kind of a little more volatile. If we look at overall sales, they dropped, but you can see they were up and down all year. Let's look at the sales for condos. I mean, they had a good time in June. There were 88 sales, but that dropped down to 35. And then townhomes, kind of the same thing. Now, we can look back further. Let's look back 3 years, look at condos. So we can see that condos are having a real rough time right now. Let's go further back. Let's go max. Okay, 5 years. So they haven't been, valuations on condos haven't been this low since mid 2020. And a lot of that has to do, of course, with condo fees are extremely expensive. They're just not affordable anymore. First time home buyers, why spend all that money on the condo fees? And it's about the same as a modest detached home with your own backyard. It's probably an older home, but still, it's a fully detached home. So that's what a lot of first-time home buyers are doing. Semi-detached, they've been holding pretty steady for the last few years. Townhomes as well. And then single-detached as well. So you can see in terms of sale prices, over the last 5 years, we've kind of plateaued. Everything peaked in February 2022, and we've pretty much plateaued on most property types. And so it's hard to it's hard to predict what will happen in 2026. Activity should ramp up as soon as this month, certainly into February. There'll be more listings, more buyers. But as to how those valuations will go, we shall see. Thanks for watching, everyone. As always, if you have any questions about your own home search, or maybe you're thinking of selling sometime this year, please feel free to reach out at any time. All my contact details are in the description below. And until next time, I hope you all enjoy the start to your new year 2026. I'll see you all next time. Cheers.